Welcome back to ClearTask. Losing a PowerPoint presentation you just spent hours working on can be incredibly stressful. But don't panic, today I am going to show you exactly how to recover your unsaved or lost slides in just a few simple clicks. First, open Microsoft PowerPoint on your computer. On the main start screen, click on the Open tab on the left side, and make sure you are looking at your recent files. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom of this recent files list. You will find a button that says Recover Unsaved Presentations. Click on it. A File Explorer window will open, taking you directly to Microsoft's hidden AutoRecover folder. If you see your presentation listed here, simply click it and hit open. But what if the folder looks completely empty? Here is the crucial trick. Go to the bottom right corner of that window and click the drop-down menu that currently says All PowerPoint Presentations. Change this selection to All Files. Suddenly, you might see temporary files appear. Sort the files by date modified to easily find the one that matches the exact time your PowerPoint closed or crashed. Select that file and click Open. Your lost slides should now appear on your screen. The moment your presentation loads, immediately go to File, choose Save As, and save the document to a safe location on your computer. It is that simple. If this quick guide saved your presentation, please hit the like button and subscribe to ClearTask for more direct, step-by-step tech solutions. See you in the next video.